Hey, gorgeous ones, how are you? Wanting to come on live today to talk about energy and how energy can help you manifest what you want. Energy is a fascinating thing, and according to science, we are 99.99% energy. We are mostly energy, right? And we aren't taught this. We're not all taught this. And so a lot of my work is about the energy, and it's about unblocking your energy, right? And so when we unblock the energy in your system, right, that's when you can start to really open up your system to invite more in, okay? Because if you've got lots of blockages in your system, right, if you've got lots of blockages in your energetic system, and I'm talking energy here, guys, because like I said, you are 99.99% energy, right? Your system, your physical body is energy, right? And so when I work on people, right, what I'm doing is I usually, I work on your chakras. I work on around, not just your 7 chakras, I work on around, I think around 15 chakras, and I'm actually doing a few more at the moment because there's some extra chakras that I'm working on with people when I work on them. But also there's other little chakras too in the body depending on what's happening for someone. Like you've got chakras in your jaw, in your back of your knees. Like there's chakras everywhere, like to run your energetic system, to run your energy through the system. And then you've also got meridians, right, that run through your system. There's a particular flower essence that I use that actually helps to rebalance all your meridians. Super powerful one, and it works with your muscles and tendons. It's so cool. And, even the flower essences are working with your energy as well, okay, because they're a frequency medicine, they're a frequency, they hold a frequency, they hold an energy. And when that comes into your system, it floods out whatever is in your system, like it pushes it out, right? And then puts into your system that particular whatever essence you're working with, right? It's nature, it's energy. Nature is of a very high vibration. So bringing that into our body, if our body's a little bit dense and needing to be unblocked, then the flower essences will come through and help to unblock that. They are so powerful, the flower essences. Oh my God. I've done so many different modalities. Predominantly I work with pranic healing. I'm a pranic healer. And, but, I do other stuff as well. But, and I've studied so many things, but I find the flower essences were really so gentle and easy to work with, and they just gently move your energy back into balance. And a lot of people come to me, and I remember one person come to me and we had a whole list of things that was going on in her life, like a whole page, right? And I got together what essences she needed. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit la at the moment. I've had acupuncture today and I'm just so relaxed, and yeah, anyway, so she had this whole page of everything, and then she came back to see me and I said, what's been going on? How you been going with the essences? Has anything changed? And she's like, I don't know. And I said, okay. So I pulled out the page from the month before and I said everything that was on that page, and I said, is any of those things happening for you right now? And she said, no, none of them. They're gone. None of those worries that were there the month before were completely gone. They'd shifted. she'd shifted her energies through the flower essences, through the energetic work, right? And so then I started incorporating just to make it even more powerful and for those flower essences to work even quicker, I started incorporating the healings that I do, the chakra healings into the sessions, so that then I prescribe the essences, and then the essences work much faster because they haven't got as much stuff to try and unblock and work through in your energy, right? And so, you know, everything is energy. This is science. This is real science, right? And the thing is everything that is around you and has been created through thought first. Thought. It's been created through a visualization. It's a thought and then a visualization. So thoughts actually do create a visualization. So when you think something, your mind will create a picture of that. And so, you know, like this mobile phone that I'm recording on right now, talking to you guys, that was a thought in someone's mind to start with. And then they brought it into the physical reality, right? So this is how thoughts become things. And it's all about our energy, right? And our focus, right? Because in our brains, we have what's called a reticular activating system, and it's our filter system. Now, this is the science, guys. It's our filter system. If we actually saw everything around us that's actually around us, we would become very overwhelmed. Our energetic system wouldn't be able to handle it. Our brain would become so overloaded, right? So we filter, and we filter through our focus. So what we focus on all the time is what we tell our subconscious mind what's important to us. Our subconscious mind, it doesn't go, oh, Vanessa's thinking about how hard her life is today. It doesn't go, no. We don't want to think that. You know, we don't want to think that. We're not going to do that. No, it has no bias. So you're thinking that, it goes, okay, her life's hard. Let's show her all the things that are hard about her life, right? But if I'm focused on the gratitude of all the things in my life, then I will start to see more of that in my life, because my filtering system, my reticular activating system, will start to filter through those things because I'm telling my brain that that's important to me. So I'll give you an example so you can understand it. So think about this. You are wanting to buy a red Corolla, for example, right? Red Toyota Corolla. I haven't seen much of them around, but that sounds like a good car to me. Then all of a sudden, you see them everywhere. Have you had that experience before where you have thought about something you want to manifest or create, and then you see it everywhere because you've told your brain that's important to me, filter out everything else, and I want that? Yeah? Like this information that I'm telling you guys, if you can get a grasp on this, your whole life will change. So much. Because so you create through your focus. Now, your focus muscle, right, needs to be, it's like a muscle, you know, like you go to the gym and you build your bicep muscle. Building your focus muscle is going to help you to create more of what you want in your life, right? And it's just a practice to focus on what you want. But the problem is our brain will want to go to the negative. Now, why will our brain want to go to the negative? Because it wants to keep us safe. So we've got two parts. We've got the part that wants to keep us safe, and there's got the part that wants to create what it wants to create, right? We have to balance that. We have to be able to you know, like it goes a bit more in depth when that starts to happen, and this is where sabotage comes in, because it's the survival brain freaking out, right? But if you would just stay focused on what you want and let that survival brain have its peace, and then just, yeah, cool, I hear you, and then keep going with your focus, you will create many, 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 many things that you want. It's so powerful, I'm telling you. Your focus is so powerful. And that's science-based, because it's brain science, right? It's your reticular activating system, your filter system, that filters everything. It goes along down the back of your brainstem, right? And it's working away there, showing you all the things that you want or don't want, because it depends on what you're focused on. Okay? So, you know, energy is really important. And so back to what I was saying about, you know, clearing the chakras and stuff like that. Once you get your energy really cleared and centered and open, then you'll start manifesting really big things in your life. But you've got to get the energy clear and uncluttered. It's so important. And yeah, really, really important. Energy is number one in manifestation, what I feel anyway. And so, yeah, that's my little video for today. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments. And I hope it's been helpful. And just remember, your energy creates 99.99% energy. And that's the science of manifestation. So cool. I love it. Alrighty, have an amazing night. Bye.